Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and gathering what you need. Make sure your iPhone model supports eSIM, that iOS is updated, and that you have the carrier QR, activation code, or carrier app on hand. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular, then choose Add Cellular Plan to start scanning the QR or enter details manually. Do this now, don't delay, because the phone must download the eSIM profile before any carrier steps proceed. After the profile downloads, you'll configure how the eSIM behaves. You must label each line so you can tell them apart in phone and messages. Choose clear names like primary or travel. Next, set your default line for voice and SMS and pick which line uses cellular data. You can change these later, so think about roaming and cost. If you use dual SIM, make sure cellular data switching is set to your preference. Then test by making a call or using data. Now finalize the setup and verify everything works. Restart the iPhone to ensure the eSIM profile is fully integrated. Then make a test call, send an SMS, and browse to confirm data. If something fails, toggle the cellular plan off and on in settings, then restart again. If problems persist, contact your carrier with the activation code and your iPhone may ready. This speeds resolution. One tip: if the QR won't scan, enter the SMDP Plus and activate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.